Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this tutorial we are going to be learning how to use TikTok's latest filters and effects. If you want to make your videos more creative and engaging, then follow along till the end. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your Android or iOS device. Once you're inside the home page, make sure they are logged into your account. After you're logged in, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center to start creating a new video. After you open up this page, you can then go ahead and record a video or choose an existing picture from your device's camera roll. I'm gonna choose an existing one. Go to the bottom right and tap on the camera roll button and you'll be able to get to your camera roll. Select a video you would like to edit. Once you select a video, go ahead and tap on the effects option on the right hand corner. Now, this will take you to the effects tab. Browse through the trending effect, make sure that you've selected trending from the menu and then select one of the trending effects you'd like to apply to the video. Once you do that, you can tap on save at the top right corner. You can also check out other categories from the effects menu and apply the effects that matches your video. Finally, click on Save at the top right, and in the preview section, you will be able to see the effect applied to the video. You can now go ahead and post your video like you normally do. Now, if you want to add effects, you can repeat the same step, choose a photo from your device's camera roll, and then once you're inside the preview section, go to filters at the bottom. Now select a different filter you'd like to apply to your photo or video, and after you are done, you can save the change and apply the effect and filter to your video. And that's it. Now you know how to use TikTok's latest filters and effects to make your content more creative and eye-catching. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.